Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video I'm going to talk about puberty, how to educate your child about it and make them ready and confident to face the situation. Now, when is it good time to talk about puberty to your child? It is never too early. I would say most of the time it is never too late, but this time it is never too early because your child, I mean, children of this era have a lot of access to multiple things. I mean, videos they see with us, movies, or the talks we have, the friends circle. I mean, even the online, access they have to mobile, etc. There are many sources that they can get information from. Before they get some information which may not be apt, we are the right people to tell it to them. So, start it age by age. Maybe the words can vary, topic can be limited a bit, but it is never too early to start talking about puberty. What is puberty? Puberty is a change your body goes through when you grow up. This happens to both girls and boys, and this is a transition of being a child to becoming an adult and making you ready for sexual reproduction to create babies. What age does puberty actually show up? So the average age for girls is 11 years, which may start from 7 to 15, and for boys it is around 12 years. I mean, the average it can from 8 to 16 years, and every child is different, so be prepared. Signs of puberty is the most important thing that we need to know and educate our children. At first, for girls, it is breast development, it can be body odor, it is acne, it is also about rapid growth, the growth spurt, and they start seeing pubic hair and hair under arms, and the body shape gets curvier, softer, like around the hips, thigh area and all, and most importantly vaginal discharge and later bleeding. In in boys it is enlargement of testicles, body odor, acne, deepening of voice, cracked voice initial days, and later it becomes normal, and then facial hair, mustache, pubic hair, underarm hair, and hair all over the body which starts thickening, and rapid growth in height as well are the signs of puberty. Now, some major tips and simple ones I like to add on. At first, start using proper terms when you educate them on the parts of the body. Like I said earlier, it is never too early. So when you are educating your child, showing them a book in which you are talking about parts of the body like arms, legs. Many books do not have this, as if there is no organ, no genital organ at all. You'll have to educate them, talk to them boldly with proper terms like vagina, testicle, penises, breast, etc., instead of just hiding or not talking about it. Second tip, you will have to prepare them, tell them, talk to them about good touch and bad touch. If you haven't done it, there is a simple video which I have made. Most of them have loved it. Do check the link in the description box. You will like it too, and it will be helpful to educate them. Next, I would say confront them. Tell them that each body is different, because you educate them, tell them that these are changes that is going to happen to everybody. It happened to me, it will happen to you as well. Now, think about how you went through at that situation. Like your friend grew taller all of a sudden and you're still of the same height. Your relative had a big breast and you have still not started getting your breast. And every body is different. Maybe one girl, they did some function to announce that she attained puberty, or she started on her first menstrual cycle. You know how the Indian customs are, but another child is yet to attain that, though they both are of same age. So this can bring in a lot of scare in them. They may get into depression. Yes, it is possible, because these are things that at that age they do not know and they can worry about. So please confront them, tell them, while you educate them about all these, tell them that this can vary, but any which ways it is going to happen. And last but not the least, they will have plenty of questions, not just what I just explained you, but hell lot of them. They will keep coming up with, why is this that way, why is it like this, why should it happen, what if it does not happen, etc. So please be ready with answers. In case you do not know, take time, explore, talk to proper source, ask doctor, and then get back to them if possible. I mean, there must be some consultations as well. Take them to doctor, or I mean, find out the best way to educate them instead of just beating around the bushes. This can really help them get confident and ready to face the situation. And the more we neglect, avoid, things can get difficult for them. So be prepared and prepare them for this journey. And I really hope that you like this video. I have kept it very short and simple because the next video is going to be longer. I'm going to talk about menstruation, how to educate your child about what period is, how to prepare her, etc. So I hope you like, share and comment on this video and come back to us for the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.